Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's again Felua, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. So in my previous video, I showed us the cutting of this inline dress, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to sew the pieces together and get a perfect finishing. So guys, if you are yet to watch the cutting of this dress, kindly go ahead to watch the video and come back to watch the sewing tutorial. So guys, let's dive into the video. So guys, these are the cutout pieces from our previous video. So we have the front piece and the back piece with the lining. So now we're going to keep aside the back piece first, then focus more on the front piece. So now for the front piece, you're going to go ahead to spread it open just as it's doing. After spreading it open, though I've gone to pin down my own, but I will pin it and show you guys now. You're going to go ahead to place one edge of the lace to the other. Just like this, you're going to overlap it like so. You are going to do it all through to the inside. After that, you take it to your machine and go ahead to stitch it down. Now making sure it is overlapped. After that, the next thing you're going to do is to take your yoke and place it from the armhole to the center line. You take the other side and place it from the armhole to the center. You can go ahead to stitch it down first before adding your lining, or you can just pin it down, then take your lining and place it on top. Don't forget, when placing your lining, you are going to place the right side of the lining facing the right side of the lace. Then you place it like so to cover up the yoke. You go ahead to stitch it down, and after stitching the upper part, you go ahead to stitch the down part too. Don't forget, because of the extra 1 inch we added to the lace, it's going to be longer than the lining. So you stitch the upper part, you stitch the down part, then go ahead to stitch the two sides together. So guys, that is about the front part. Now let's go to the back piece. So I'm going to keep this aside and bring the back piece. So now for the back piece, I'm going to take our lining first, and you take your zipper. So now on the lining, you're going to go ahead to mark where you want your zip to stop. After marking it on the lining, you're going to go ahead to stitch down the rest. So this time around, you're not going to sew down your zip allowance. You just sew down the other part, then you leave the zip allowance alone. That's for the lining. And for the lace part, you're going to go ahead to attach your zipper to it, and you sew down the down part. So when sewing down your zipper, make sure it's the same place you marked on the lining. That is where you stop on the lace. So you attach the zipper and the down part. So I'm going to do just that and come back to show you everything. So guys, this is the front piece after joining the center and attaching my yoke and the lining. And this is the other side. You can see how neat it is. So that's it about this. Now for the back, I've gone ahead to attach my zip to the lace and sew down the down part. Same thing with the lining. So you can see the open part of the zipper on the lining, like the open space on the lining. So now after attaching this everything together, what I'm going to do next is to go ahead to join neckline, just as you see me doing. So after sewing the neckline, we're going to go ahead to sew the down part too and the two sides together. I'll do just that and come back to show you. So guys, this is it. I've gone ahead to join the two sides together, the down part and the neckline. Though I've joined the lining to the zipper first, but I'm going to show you the other side. So now I'm going to show you how to join your lining to the zipper place so it's going to have a neat finishing. And to do just that, you are going to take your lining and flip it to the other side, just as you see me doing. After that, you go ahead to push all the fabric inside it. So basically, just watch carefully how I'm putting everything inside it to do yours.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So after pushing everything, this is what you will have. So now you go ahead to place your lining like so, then you stitch it down. You are going to follow the same line you used in stitching down the zipper on the lace. You go ahead to use that same line to attach your lining to the lace. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to do just that and come back to show you. Now this is it after attaching the lining to the lace. You can see how neat it is. So guys, the next thing we're going to do now is to go ahead to join the two shoulders together. And to do that, you're going to take the back lace and the front lace. You place them together, then use your lining to cover it up. You can go ahead to pin it down just as you see me doing.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us.
So now, after pinning it down, I'll take it to the machine to join the two shoulders together and the two sides together. I will also attach my sleeve. So for the sleeve part, you can decide to use any design of your choice. So guys, this is the final outcome of our dress. If you find this video helpful, hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified on all my future content. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.